What's wrong with your face? I'm just not wearing makeup. I just got out of the shower. So this is just gonna be a quick little thing, probably unedited. So today's my birthday. Fun fact for you. It's probably it might go up tomorrow, but June the 11th is my birthday. I was gonna do like a birthday vlog, but halfway through the day, things just went completely off the wall. So, I was home alone for most of the day. I live with my parents. And, when my parents got home from work, they both got home at the same time because it was a special day. And, when they got home, we were gonna go out to what I thought was just this little bookstore that I had found a few months ago that I wanted to show them. And I like to have a quiet day for my birthday. I'm not a super wild person. And then after that, go just to this little part of the city that I live in, just to walk around before coming back to the house to have my birthday dinner. Well, we get in the car, and we drive to the local, like, shopping mall, and I'm like, oh, why are we here? And my parents are just like, oh, we need to pick up some stuff for later tonight, and I'm like, oh, okay, fine, thinking that it's just stuff for dinner or whatever. Then they park in the parking lot in front of a pet store. Turns out my whole family had been plotting to surprise me with something I had wanted for years. For years I had been really wanting a pet bird. And my mother had kind of been dropping hints this year that she might get me one. And I had thought that she'd been messing with me. But as I said before, it turns out my whole family, my mom, my dad, and my brother had been plotting to get me these two beautiful little babies in here. I don't know if you can see them both. Yeah. They don't have names yet, and they're still adjusting, so they're a little freaked out right now. But, yeah, I'm still trying to come up with names for them, but I love them both, and I have been, like, completely unable to leave my room, because I just like to watch them. I love them so much. So, yeah, this is why you're not getting a birthday vlog from me, because birds happened. I got budgies, and now I can't, I'm so happy. So yeah, there is a video of me blowing out the candles on my cake, so maybe I'll put that in here. But yeah, hope you guys are having a good day. I'll see you later, and I'll let you know when I come up with names, and I'll tell you what they are. But I love my little birds. They're so good. I love them. They're so precious. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
This is so cool.
Where did you guys find this?
Walmart, I think.
Yeah. That is so
I love it. I don't want to blow it out.
Yeah.
I love it too much.
Just wait till it runs out of batteries.
Yeah, yeah.
Forever.
All right, here we are, like 12 hours later.
Yeah, wait. How are you going to blow this out?
Yeah, let's see this.
Okay, let's try this.
Let me help.
Well, when your hair catches on fire,
Yeah.
I have the video rolling.
Yay!
We did it.
You did it. Very, very nice. Isn't that cool? That is
That's
one.
so cool.
That is so neat.
All right.
Still going.